In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. Begin by locating an app called Files that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Agree at the bottom right corner and then hit Browse at the bottom right corner here to continue. Finally, you can click on Phone under Local Storage. Scroll down a tiny bit to click on Download folder and access all of your files over here. To open one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!